Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video I'll teach you how to apply notification animation in all Android devices. For this one you have to open Play Store and then here you have to search for this application. So here is the application. You have to click on install. After installation you have to open this application and then you have to click on browse all modules. Here you will see the option ambient display. Click on it and you have to install this one. Click on open module manager. From here you have to click on settings and then you have to close this disabled. And then you have to enable this one. First of all you have to click on fix, click on grant permissions, allow this content application the permissions, go back, allow this app to appear on top, go back, again you have to click on fix, click on grant permission. From here now you have to allow the notification access, enable this application, click on allow, go back, click on keep and enable. Now you have to enable this notifications. Here you can see we have turned on the notifications. Click on open designer to select the desired animation. So here you will see bunch of notifications animation. Here is selfie. You can select any animation. So we'll select this selfie, click on understood. So our animation is now selected. Now we'll lock our phone and show you the notification. So whenever you will receive any notification, this animation will appear on your screen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.